Good morning and welcome to the education class, and we were doing the secondary education commission, and we have discussed in the last few videos about the existing defect of the secondary or the society. Now after observing all this, Dr. Lakshmanaswamy Mudaliar, he has recommended and he has given some aims which are to be followed by the general people. So in 1953 we know he has published his report, and as according to the name of his own, Dr. Lakshmanaswamy Mudaliar, the Secondary Education Commission was known as Mudaliar Commission. Now first and foremost recommendation which he has made is development of democratic citizenship. Now since India has decided to make itself a democratic republic, the citizens has to be trained according to the, so that they can get their tolerance, they can get their, they become disciplined, they become more active, they become more involved, so that they can understand the meaning of democratization and the feeling of republic. Okay, now for that reason the education must give them such a freedom that they can understand and realize, they can enjoy, and they can do their own duties. Those who are having the subject pol science, you can understand it better. That you know that rights and duties are connected. We are getting some rights from our country, so we have to do some, we have some own duties as well. So rights and duties are inseparable. Okay, so to realize that feeling, to make a successful republic and a democratic country, we have to educate the people so that they can understand and feel the discipline from within, what rules regulations they have to follow. Equal opportunity, all are having equal opportunity, no casteism, no creed, no such discriminating attitudes among men and women. All this will turn to help India people a democratic republic. So the establishment was started after 1947, and they have decided to make India as a democratic republic, and to make that Dr. Mudaliar has suggested to the education should provided in such a way so that students can understand the discipline, the freedom, the right to speech, the right to do, and whatever duties they have to do, everything from within, not to be forcefully inputted in them. They have to realize from within. The next is improvement of vocational efficiency. Now see, a betterment of a country depends mainly on the economic condition of the country, isn't it? So the very first step what to be taken, that Indian people must understand the goodness of labor power. Okay, I mean, they work more and they earn more, and that will be that is the contribution of individual for our country. So Indian people are they are being criticized as lazy people of India, isn't it? But that manpower, that labor, that should be encouraged within them to understand. What else? Moreover, new machines, new invented machineries have to be they have to do it manually, they have to understand it, they have to learn it. The worker, those who are working in industries or factories, they must know how to use the new machines, because old machines they are using, and with some new things when they are introduced, they are worried of, and they are withdrawing themselves. So that is also very bad. So improvement of vocational efficiency means, vocation means profession. So the education should be given in such a way so that after completion of their education they can get a job, and that job will also help them to, the education will also help them to train up with the new inventions, with the new mechanisms, and they will help the education will help individual to understand, to learn how to use the modern mechanism, and that will also help to in productivity of the company. If you increase more, if the production is more, then it is expected that the earning is also more. If the sale is proper, if the marketing is properly done, or the product is good in its quality, then it is obvious that the income will be more. So all these things must be included. So first we have seen that democratic citizenship, they have to understand what is democracy, they have to understand what is republic, and what they are gaining, and what they have to devote to the country. And secondly, we have seen that vocational improvement, all must learn and earn, and all must contribute something to the country for the development and the betterment, and they have to be trained up in a modern way. Next class, next video, we are going to start with the next two recommendations and aims which are provided by the Secondary Education Commission. Thank you so much.